Hi all, welcome back. So tonight we are going to be doing a Philly cheesesteak. So this will be my interpretation of it. So if you guys want to follow this, it will be awesome. So here we go. So we start off with some onions. So I've put two fairly decent sized red onions in here. So just going to let them cook off a little bit with a little bit of oil. Next thing I'm going to do is to slice my beautiful steaks, which are here. So I've got two, just because it is only me and Jake. Did recommend using ribeye, but because ribeye does have a lot of fat in, and I don't like that much fat, to be fair. So I'm not going to use that. But if you guys want to use it, that's cool. So I'm going to bring you over here and zoom you out a little bit. Cool. So I'm going to whack you down there and put that there. So we're going to chop this into fairly thin-ish slices. We're going to see how we get on with this knife. If not, then I'm going to use my other one. So yeah, just continue until you've got all your steak bits sliced up, and then we can add them in the pan as well. So now that our onions are starting to caramelise quite nicely, we can get that steak in. So that's just chopped into these kind of size pieces, so they're quite thin. I'll get them in. So you're just wanting to cook them until they are fully cooked through. If you do want a rarer steak, then that's fine. Just cook it for less time, but for me, I'm going to be cooking this all the way through for this one. Just give that a stir. That can all get nice and cooked. So keep it on a fairly high heat just because you want to cook that steak. Put that in there. And we'll just keep our eyes on it, and I'll come back to you once that's done. So in my big pan, I'm just toasting the bottom off. So that should be pretty much done. So that's quite toasty. So that is that. So we can get this assembled. Just to let you guys know as well, I did season the beef in the pan. Ooh. So yeah, I'm just chopping the beef up a bit more thinly. You can get that back on there now. Get that warmed up. So I'll be back to you guys when I'm assembling it. So to start our assembly, we put 2 slices of Emmental down. We're going to do 2 slices of Gouda. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add some of our beef filling in. So that is some of the beef filling in. So we're just going to add another 2 slices of the Gouda and the Emmental. So just get them added on. And then we'll top with the rest of the beef again. So that is the last of the cheese added on. So I'm just going to pop the lid on, and then I'm going to pop him on a baking tray in the oven for a few minutes until that cheese melts. Then I'll be able to show you guys what it looks like. So that is the beauty all out the oven, guys, now. So if you like this video, go like, comment, subscribe. See all you lovely people in the next episode. See you later.